friends. So today I'm going to talk about to you some different types of birds. We're going to spell them. We're going to take a look at pictures of them. We're going to talk about them. And we know what birds are made of. They have feathers to let their skin be safe. They are warm-blooded. They lay hard-shelled eggs. We're going to discover some birds. So the first one we're going to take a look is a pelican. So here we are. This is a pelican. Imagine where is the pelican is. What place is it? Wonder what it is doing. Now, I'll show you the spelling. So, this is how you spell it. This is a bird, this is birds, and this is a pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. Pelican. So I'm going to erase this off. And I'm going to have tissue to wipe it down so I can write my next. Whoops. So I'm going to talk about the meaning. A pelican has a long, big beak. It has a sac beneath the beak, so almost like in the throat. The sac holds the fish and scoops up the water. We're moving up. The next bird I want to show you is a roadrunner. So, I'm going to show you the spelling. roadrunner. So I'm going to wipe this down. Whoa. Garbage. So, the meaning of a roadrunner, it lives in the desert and spends its time in the ground. It eats fast lizards, bugs, and snakes. I don't really like those three animals. It runs very fast because its name is a runner, so it runs too fast to get food. The next bird I want to show to you is a toucan. And guess what? This is one of my favorite birds. There's another bird that I like that I'm going to show it to you soon. This is one of my favorites. So now I'm going to show you the spelling. This is how you spell it. I'm going to erase it off. So I'm going to tell you of the meaning. One of my favorite meanings is because I like my favorite meaning, and that's why I like a toucan. It lives in the rainforest. It has a colorful beak. It uses its beak to crack nuts. Do you guess why the toucan is my favorite? Because it has a colorful beak. Next, I'm going to show you is an emu. This is how you spell it. Look how it looks like. Oh, confusing me. So I'm going to spell it. So this is how you spell it. Emu. So the meaning about an emu is it cannot fly because it has a big body and small wings. It is very fast to run away from danger. Next is a puffin. I'll show it. I'm going to spell it to you. Here it is. Puffin. Erase. So the meaning about a puffin, it eats small fish, it has a colorful beak, like a toucan, but not my favorite, but my second favorite. And it can crack nuts with its beak. They look funny on land. That's all. Hoot hoot. Can you guess what bird I'm going to show you next? Did you guess it? An owl. Yay! I'll show you the spelling. And just to give you more information, hoot hoot, it makes a sound hoot. Bye-bye, I'm going to erase you. Wee. Whoa. So, what the meaning about an owl is they can see at night, their feathers are soft, they can fly without making a sound. Yay! One of my favorites again. Hummingbirds. I'll show you the spelling. This is how you spell hummingbirds. Do you know why hummingbirds is a bird? If you're guessing it has feathers, well, it's not that. This is actually a joke. It ends with birds. Erase. Wee. My favorite. So the meaning about hummingbirds, they use their beak to get food from flowers. They're the smallest birds. They're bright and colorful. And they stay in one place. Can you guess why a hummingbird is my favorite? They are bright and colorful. That's my favorite part of a hummingbird. Eagle time! I'm going to show you an eagle. I'm going to spell it to you. eagle. So the meaning about eagles, they spot in the sky snakes, fish, and mice. They have sharp claws to get food and rip it apart. I just did that because that's how loud they can be. And a bird that can be loud is a cockatoo. This is how you spell it. Cockatoo. Whoa. Squished. Squished. So the meaning of cockatoos, they are big, white, and they have thick beaks that can crack open nuts. And that was saying, they can be loud. They also go in groups. Next is vultures, our last one. And this is how we spell them. Hooray! The meaning of vultures, they eat dead animals. They don't have feathers on their heads. They have holes. The holes, they use the holes to smell food far away. Like penguins. I like penguins. So, those are the different types of birds that we have. My favorite is a hummingbird and a toucan. My second is a roadrunner and a puffin. Bye! Hope you like my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Tell me what other birds you like.